Good evening, friends. In the last video, we have seen scatter plot in Power BI desktop. Let us see now gauge or indicator in Power BI desktop. So first we upload data in Power BI desktop. It's a clean data. So I'm going to directly load the data in Power BI desktop. Select the sheet and click on load button. You can find the data file in description box. It will take few seconds to load data in Power BI desktop. So again, right, you can see data section on right hand side. Go to home tab and go to new visual. In gauge card and KPI section, you can find the gauge. Slightly increase the size. So here you can find value, minimum value, maximum value, target value, and tooltips options. So first we check with the quantity. So here minimum value is 0k and max value is 76k, and our quantity is 38k. So you can see maximum value is almost double. Similarly, we can check for other quantities or other value segments. This time we check for sales. So here you can find minimum sales is 0 million, max 4.55 million, and our actual sales is 2.27 million. This time in value, I am going to select profit. So this is the profit value. You can see minimum maximum value for profit gauge. So here you can find target value. Actually, we don't have the target value from the our database or from our as per our requirement, but we can add practically one targeted value for our practice purpose. So you have to go on new measure. Suppose our target value is 50k, so we can compare what of what was our progress as per the quantity target. So you can find we have created this measure here, quantity target. We have to add this value in the targeted value. Here you can find that indicator. So targeted quantity is actually 50k, but we are not successfully achieve that value. We achieve till 38k. So this is the analysis or this type of analysis we can do using gauge chart or gauge. So basically, it is an indicator, data visualization indicator is a way to present changes that you are tracking in your data. Typically, this uses something like a gauge or ticker or to show which direction the numbers are heading in. So we can analyze the number using the gauge charts. This allows us to display one or two numeric values. So we can also add additional titles or color coded indicator icon such as green for up arrow or red for down arrow to represent the value and changes in this value. So basically, indicator are clear, simple ways to demonstrate how your organization is doing on a particular metric and whether you are heading in the right direction or not. So this is basically use of gauge indicator. Similarly, we can add a target value for sales and profit. Click on new measure, target sales equal to add this value in the targeted value. Now you can easily see targeted value is 3 million, but we have achieved 2.27 million. Similarly, for profit, I am going to add target value, the target profit equal to here we add targeted value 300k for profit. So this is the analysis we can do using this gauge chart. Similar format options are available here. We can change the size, padding, background, visual border, shadow, title, font size, font type, etc. Also title. Here we can adjust the axis at minimum and max value. Here we select auto, so by default it shows double value of the actual value. Then colors, fill color and target color, you can choose as per your requirement. Data labels, fonts size, we can adjust font type, we can adjust for target label, callout value and data label. So this is the overall information about the gauge in Power BI desktop. Suppose I add here one pie chart and for this I'm going to select region and for values I added sales. Suppose I want to see for waste region. So here 12k quantity for waste region, 725.43k sales and 108.41k profit for waste region. Similarly, we can check for east, central and south region. We find different visuals or different one numbers as per the regions. So this is the use of gauge. So that's all for this video. Please share my videos. Subscribe my YouTube channel Job at Punyanagari and like all the videos. Thank you.